How does it taste, honey?
Scrumptious.
Hi family, today we're gonna make Greek yogurt chicken pasta. I'm just gonna start by cutting my chicken into bite-sized pieces. I'm considering doing shrimp as well. I haven't decided yet, but we will see. Now we're gonna put our chicken in a bowl. Just trying to make more high protein meals for my husband and I. It's more so for my husband, but I need to eat high protein as well. So I'm doing both. Oh, I didn't even put that in. I always keep a bag for, you know, like the gooky stuff. And now I'm gonna put my gloves on and we're gonna season it. And this is the Greek yogurt that I'm using. I used it last week and my husband and I really loved it. I did lemon pepper chicken last week. My kids didn't really like the lemon pepper, but when I did it again with just like regular seasonings that I'm gonna be using today, they loved it. So it was a win. Start with that one. That's black pepper. That's good. Oregano. You gotta shake a little bit harder.
Like do this, Will. Do this. But do this.
Had it. That's what she's trying to say. I'm gonna get that one. Go ahead. Next. Smoked paprika. You don't really need to pat that one, but do more. We like smoked paprika. Okay, do seasoned salt.
For fries. I got it on the table. This is
That's good. Garlic powder. I might do a little bit of sea salt. Let's see that. Onion powder. Grace, how much is he doing?
ew.
Grace, don't touch no more. Come on. Onion powder.
Fries.
You might even take your gloves off. That's good.
Yeah.
Onion powder, garlic powder come out fast. Do ground coriander. You want to make sure you're seasoning your chicken really well. We have a lot of chicken too, so I mean it's 3 breasts. Normally I do about 2 breasts, but we'll see. That's good. A little bit of jerk seasoning, don't too much.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit more. You gotta come out. Hit it. Okay, do the last one. I forgot what it is.
It's
Cumin.
cumin. They even like cumin.
Okay, that's good. It smells good, y'all.
Yeah, but it's too strong for me.
Oh, just let me do it.
Huh?
It smells Mediterranean. I think because of the ground
Oh, where this
coriander.
one going?
Ground coriander and cumin.
What is this going to season salt? No, well, spell the words. How you no, but this don't got one on it. Huh? This don't got
Okay,
one.
Grace.
The one that don't have it is. Where's the
Take your
onion?
gloves off.
Where's the onion powder?
Take your gloves
Oh,
off.
we need more onion powder. Yeah.
If you never had Greek chicken before, I'm telling you, it's so delicious and juicy. And it's also really good with chicken thighs, but we're using chicken breast today. And I'm gonna cover this, put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna go wash, and then go pick up my kids, and we'll put it in the pan when I get back home. So everyone's home now. We are getting ready for the night, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook the chicken. Here it is, and I'm about to put it in the pan. And so this is when I decided to kind of make it into a Rasta Pasta dish, but I guess it's my own version, so we're just gonna call it Gwen's pasta. So Grace was shredding the cheese for me, and then I also cut up some peppers. I did not cut the onions, even though I did have onions. I decided to cheat because I saw some in my freezer, some frozen diced onions, and I left the burnt part in the pan because it's really good for seasoning, especially for this dish. So everyone loved it. When I tell you, Bill told me like 5 times how good it was, probably more. Like, he just kept saying it was so good. His favorite dish is normally chicken and shrimp carbonara, but he said we could throw that out the window. He said he wants this, so it's his new favorite meal, I guess. But as you can see here, I'm adding garlic, and then I'm gonna add some butter, and some more Greek yogurt, and then I'm gonna add some heavy cream, and that's gonna give it the nice sauce with all the flavor. I'm telling you, the peppers and the Greek yogurt, and I mean, it just all came together so well. It tastes delicious. I thought we would have a little bit of leftovers, but y'all, it was hardly any leftovers, like maybe enough for somewhat of a bowl. They ate all the noodles. It was only like not even a handful of noodles left. That's how good it was. It was so good, so much flavor, just such a really good dish. And as you can see, I did decide to thaw out some shrimp at the last minute just to give us more protein, and because I knew my kids would be greedy. I didn't think they would be that greedy to eat like all of it, but yeah. And I seasoned the shrimp with the same seasonings from the chicken. The only difference was I did not add the Greek yogurt to the shrimp. As you can see, I was also cooking corn because originally I was just gonna do the chicken, rice, and corn, but I decided to do a pasta. I was undecided on the pasta, and then I just kind of decided to go ahead and do the pasta, and then we just forgot about the corn. So yeah, and Grace is putting up the seasonings for me to also help with cleanup.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right.
How does it taste, honey?
Scrumptious.
Okay. It's good, Matt. Is it good? You like it? Oh, Daddy? Okay. Bill said it's good like 5 times, y'all, so it must be good. You saying hi to the people?
Y'all should taste this. This thing is blessed. It is good.
Y'all like it? You like it too, Kara?
Come over here.
You like it too, Ava?
This thing is blessed.
It's all,
This is good.
it's all over your face too.